Now wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. Now wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. Do you know what this means? It simply means don't wait until the cry for battle before you prepare for battle. In another translation, it could simply mean just be prepared. Always be prepared. Let me break it down. Now wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. Translates to, do not wait until the drum beats before you grind your axe. Pretty similar, if you understand what we're saying. Now, let's use that in a sentence. You have a plan for future. Now wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. This translates to, you have to plan for your future. You cannot wait until the drum beats before you grind your axe. And finally, we have been through another session. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting. Like, subscribe, send this to anybody you can. Drop a comment in the comment section. And we'll see you with another one real soon.